Hey there, cosmic explorers! Welcome back to Relativity Revelations. Today, we're diving headfirst into the spectacular world of space-time and gravity. Get ready for a cosmic tango. Picture this. You're chilling on a massive planet, but gravity isn't just pulling you down, it's bending time itself. It's like dancing through a cosmic carnival. Hold on to your hats. This is going to be a wild ride. Imagine the universe as a colossal carnival, with gravity and time locked in an intricate dance. It's not your usual waltz, it's a cosmic tango where time and space move together in ways that'll make your head spin. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on Einstein's theory of general relativity. It's the mind-boggling idea that gravity isn't just a force, it's the bending of space-time itself. So, let's break it down with a touch of cosmic humor. Imagine you're on a massive planet like Jupiter, where gravity is incredibly strong. Well, the intense gravity isn't just pulling you down, it's bending the very fabric of space and time around you. You're like a superstar in the gravitational tango. It's like dancing on a space-time floor that's all wavy and curvy. The stronger the gravity, the deeper the dance floor's curves. Now, let's talk about gravitational lensing. Massive objects like stars and black holes act like cosmic magnifying glasses. They warp space-time so much that they can bend and distort the path of light, creating stunning visual effects. When you look at the night sky, what you see isn't always what you get. Massive objects out there can create optical illusions by bending the light as it travels through their gravitational dance. The closer you get to a massive object, the slower time passes for you compared to someone far away from it. It's like a cosmic slow-motion button. If you were hanging out near a super-duper massive planet, time for you would move more slowly than for your friend farther away. It's as if you're dancing to a different beat in the cosmic tango. It's like being at a dance party where everyone dances to their own rhythm. The closer you are to the massive planet, the slower your dance moves. And that's a wrap for episode 3 of Relativity Revelations. We've uncovered the cosmic carnival where gravity and space-time perform a gravitational tango. Stay tuned for episode 4, where we'll explore the mind-bending concept of black holes and their impact on the universe. Until then, keep dancing through the cosmos.